I am Suresh Rao from Cochin. This is Navratri time. During Navratri in India, Hindus usually take 9 days fasting. That is, during these days, they take a bit hard food only once in a day, and the rest of the 2 times they take some fruits and juices, etc. So, people in North India as well as in South India take one solid food from sabudana. So I am going to show you preparation of sabudana khichdi in South Indian style. Only slight difference is there between North India and South India. We add more vegetables in South India rather than North India. Now let us just see what all ingredients we need for the same. There are 3 stages in preparing sabudana khichdi. The first stage is preparation of sabudana. This I have taken 3 bowls of sabudana. First you have to wash it properly and then soak in water. That is, if you are taking 3 bowl of sabudana, you have to put 3 bowl of water and soak it properly and leave it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the sabudana gets soaked and will become like this, well soaked. That's the first stage. Now, the second stage is preparation. For preparation, first you have to season with these items. That is, first the ghee, then 1 spoon of cumin seed, little green chili, little ginger, little curry leaves, little turmeric powder, and extra in South India we usually take little crushed cashew nut as well as little kismis. After that we go for the vegetables. Usually in North India they take aloo as well as little tomatoes, but here we are taking aloo 1 bowl, capsicum, then carrot and butter beans. It will look somewhat like our pulao, but the taste will be extra different. And for the preparation, when you put the sabudana inside the pan, once again you have to mix this groundnut powder, little salt, then lemon, 2 lemon, little for sweetness. In North India they mix sugar, but I am mixing 10 grams of honey. Then finally for garnishing, coriander leaves. Now let us see how we prepare the same. Now the pan as well as ghee is preheated. Now we will just first fry this cashew nut. Good aroma is coming, so the cashew nut is fried. We'll just shift into another plate. Now next, we'll first jeera. Now the green chilies. Now the ginger. Now the curry leaves. Now the turmeric powder. And finally the kismis. Now we'll slowly add the vegetables. Carrot, then this butter beans. We'll just fry them for another 5 minutes. Now we will add the potatoes. This is already cooked potato. It is cut into small pieces and then now we are adding it. once again the capsicum. Now the cashew nut. These vegetables and all, no? It's okay if it is cooked around 50 to 60%. The rest, little bit rawness gives taste much more. And another one important thing is that no onion or garlics are included in this sabudana usually, and particularly for this Navaratri time we don't use at all. Now we'll add sabudana towards it. Now the groundnut which is being grinded lightly we are adding now. And the salt. I have added only little salt. If the salt is a bit less, you can add once again afterwards, because if you add more it will be a problem. Now we'll add little water and wait for another 5 to 10 minutes so that everything gets mixed and cooked properly. We'll just cover it for 5 minutes. Now let us see whether it's cooked properly. Yes, it's almost cooked properly. We add the lime which is squeezed, this 2 lime, and the 10 grams of honey. Now you can switch off the gas because now no gas is needed, no heat is needed. During the time of telling the ingredients, by mistake I have just avoided coconut scrape. In South India, usually you add little coconut scrape. It's really tasty. We'll add that too. Yes. Now our sabudana khichdi as a South Indian style during Navaratri time is ready. Hope everybody enjoyed by seeing the video. So before Navaratri is over, please try once, at least once at home. Like, share, subscribe. Hope a good day for you. Thank you.